This is my bike check update. My Eastern Dragon 2010. Start on the front. Got some ODI long neck grips, shadow bar ends, Colt leader bars, 8.25 high and 29 wide, Colt Salvation stem, hollow bolts, E-clat dual integrated headset in teal, stock Eastern forks, FAF teal wall tire in 225. Got a Primo Versus rim with a Primo N4 FL hub, the Primo spokes, Eastern low profile dragon frame, Eastern pivotal seat and animal pivotal post. Got a Bluebird chain by Odyssey, an Odyssey C512 sprocket, Chase Ox signature sprocket, profile cranks, Odyssey trail mix pedals, another teal wall, got a fly rim, Primo mix hub with Primo spokes, and that's my bike check and comment.